In this video, we are discussing on twisted pair and its different categories. A least expensive and most widely used guided transmission media is twisted pair. And here is the description. You can find that two wires are getting twisted, and that is one insulator is there above which, and inside we are having the respective conductors which will be carrying the signals. A twisted pair consists of two insulated copper wires arranged in a regular spiral pattern. A wire pair acts as a single communication link. So, this wire pair acts as a single communication link. By far the most common guided transmission medium for both analog and digital signals is our twisted pair. It is the most commonly used medium in the telephone network and also in the workhorse for communications within buildings. Twisted pair can be divided into following categories. One is our unshielded twisted pair. In short, it will be called as UTP. Another one is a shielded twisted pair. In short, in abbreviated form, it will be known as STP. So, here you are finding this one as UTP, and this is a shielded twisted pair. It has been denoted as STP. So, in case of UTP, there is no metal shield you can find here. So, two wires are there with some insulator and some metallic conductor inside. These two wires are there, they are arranged in a spiral way, and there is a plastic cover we are having above these insulators. Here also plastic cover is there, but there is a metal shield is there. So, this braid of some metal wires are there, and whatever happens whenever some external electromagnetic induction or some electromagnetic noise will be coming, then this braid of wires will be accumulating that one, will be catching that one, and if you make this particular metal shield grounded earth, then what will happen? Those noise will be grounded. As a result of that, there will be no effect on this signal which is being passed in between spiral wires. So, one is the unshielded twisted pair, another one is the shielded twisted pair. EIA 568A recognizes three categories of UTP cabling. So, first one is a category 3. This category 3 can also be called as Cat 3. In short, we usually called as Cat 3, Cat 5, Cat 4. So, these are the category actually. So, Cat 3 UTP cables and associated connecting hardware whose transmission characteristics are specified up to 16 MHz. Category 4 UTP cables and associated connecting hardware whose transmission characteristics are specified up to 20 MHz. Category 5, that is UTP cables and associated connecting hardware whose transmission characteristics are specified up to 100 MHz. And nowadays also we are having the Cat 6, that is a category 6 is available in the market. So, we have discussed what is a twisted pair, what are its constructions, and what are the different categories of twisted pair. Thanks for watching this video.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.